São Paulo, Brazil. With a population of over 20 million, it is one of the biggest metropolitan regions on Earth, and it also is the motor that drives the Brazilian economy. The enormous volumes of traffic make heavy demands on the roads, particularly the Ayrton Senna Highway, with more than 200,000 vehicles a day, one of the world's busiest roads. This has led to constant and expensive maintenance of the carriageway. The mill and fill process used for the past 7 years, where asphalt is milled off and replaced by a new layer, did not achieve success. Underneath the asphalt layer, the 25-centimeter base course, stabilized with 6% cement, also was damaged. The concession holders were faced with a big problem, as conventional methods would result in enormous costs and require a lengthy closure of the sections to be overhauled. After intensively comparing a wide range of different possibilities, a technology was chosen that met all the concession holders' requirements: recycling with foamed bitumen, a Vietgan technology. Other methods were neither economically viable nor possible within the restricted time limits. A lengthy closure of the road or reduction to a single lane was unthinkable. Therefore, they decided to rehabilitate the lanes individually in 5 steps. First, the damaged surface layer is milled off over a stretch of 250 meters. The reclaimed material is temporarily stockpiled close to the site. In the next stage, the base layer is completely removed to a depth of 25 centimeters. Trucks and cars continue to drive past the construction site in their usual numbers. The reclaimed material is taken to a mixing location close to the construction site for recycling. The short distances keep costs and environmental damage to a minimum. As the specifications for the material to be recycled envisage a maximum grain size of 30 mm, a mobile Kleemann MR110Z Evo impact crusher is used. The reclaimed material is fed into the crusher to produce the specified final aggregate quality and size. Always close to the construction site, the Vietgan KMA Mobile Cold Recycling Mixing Plant. The KMA makes it possible to recycle 100% of the material removed. The optimum binder formula was 1% hydrated lime and 2% foam. In the KMA's expansion chamber, air and water are added to the hot bitumen to produce foam. The resulting foamed bitumen is mixed with the hydrated lime and reclaimed asphalt in the compulsory mixer. The end product of the KMA is a high-grade construction material called bitumen stabilized material. BSM consists of 100% recycled asphalt, is durable, permanently flexible, and due to the small amount of foamed bitumen needed, highly economical. Being very user-friendly and easy to process, the product just requires final compaction and overlaying a wearing layer of only 2 centimeters to be open for traffic immediately. The BSM layer is flexible, highly resistant, and durable, which helps in providing the asphalt surface a longer life and contributing enormously to the overall cost-effectiveness. The recycled material is laid in 2 stages. Trucks carry the material from the KMA to the paving site. Short distances, rapid construction. A cyber paver lays down the first layer with a thickness of 20 centimeters. Compaction is performed by a single drum pad foot compactor, a rubber-wheeled ham roller, and ham HD90 tandem rollers. Always on site, the material testers from the mobile site laboratory. The density of the material is checked and compared with the specifications. everything okay. Paving of a 13 centimeter thick layer of recycled material can begin. The job is completed quickly and accurately by the cyber paver. The Ham GRW and both HD90s are used to compact this layer. Compaction is checked and a sample is taken. Now paving of the 2 centimeter thick surface layer can begin. After applying the tack coat, the 2 centimeter wearing course is placed by a Vergler Super 1902 paver. The asphalt delivered from a mixing location nearby has a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius, right behind the Vergler High Performance screed bar. When enough sections form an adequate length, the 2 centimeter thick wearing course will be replaced by a 5 centimeter asphalt overlay, fulfilling the requirement for a long-term, maintenance-free period of use under the extreme conditions faced on Brazil's Ayrton Senna Highway. As the paving of the surface and final compaction carry on into the night, Ham compaction technology generates a precise, smooth surface. The foamed bitumen technology ensures the job observes the time limits, and the free-mix team guarantees high paving quality. Just a few hours later during the night, the carriageway can be reopened, and in the morning the traffic is rolling along smoothly on the new stabilized lane.